points 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Find the value of y. We will find the value of y here. Given that the line joining the first 2 points is parallel to the line joining the second 2 points. Now this is the line joining the first 2 points, which are 3 comma y and 2 comma 7, and this is the second line joining the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Given that the two lines are parallel to each other, what is the condition for parallel line slopes are equal? That is, m1 is equal to m2, where m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of the second line. So first we are taking the given 4 points as A, B, C, D. Next, finding the slope values, and by equating the slope values we will get the value of 1. So that is the procedure. So first we are writing the given points here. Given points are, first we are writing the first 2 points which are taken as A comma B. A is equal to 3 comma y and B is equals to 2 comma 7. Next, finding the slope value. Slope of AB, slope m1 is equals to, slope of this line m1 is equals to, the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and this is equals to y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 5. This is y2, this is y1, by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3. Now this is equals to 7 minus y by minus 1, which is the slope of the first line. Now next we are writing the next 2 points. Next given 2 points. Given points are, we are taking the 2 points as C comma D. So C is equal to minus 1 comma 4 and D is equal to 0 comma 6. Now finding the slope value here. Slope M2 is equals to, again taking the same formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, 6 minus 4 by x2 minus x1, 0 minus minus 1, that is 0 plus 1. Now this is equals to 2 by 1 equals to 2. But what is the given condition? The lines are parallel. Lines are parallel means slopes are equal. Since the lines are parallel, the condition is m1 is equals to m2, slopes are equal. Now we are equating the two slopes values, that is m1 is equals to, what is m1 value? 7 minus y by minus 1 is equals to m2. What is m2 value? 2. That is 7 minus y is equals to minus 2, which implies 7 plus 2 is equals to y. That is, writing this minus 2 to this side and this minus y to that side, then it becomes 7 plus 2 is equal to y. Therefore, the value of y is equals to 9. That's all. Next problem, find the angle which the straight line y is equal to root 3x minus 4 makes with the y-axis. So, what is the angle made by this line with the axis? That is a given question. So, first we are writing the given line here. Given line is y is equals to root 3x minus 4. Now, we are comparing this equation with y is equals to mx plus c. Then the values of m comma c are m is equal to root 3 and c is equal to minus 4. Now m is equal to root 3 means what is the formula for m? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to root 3. That is, tan theta is equals to root 3 means tan 60. Therefore theta is equals to 60 degrees. And theta is equal to 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees is, what is this theta? Theta is nothing but the angle made by the line with the x-axis. So here we get the angle made by the given straight line with the x-axis is equal to 60 degrees. Now what is the given question? What is the angle made by this line with the y-axis? So for that, first we are drawing one line parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis. Now we are taking one line which is parallel to y-axis here. Now we want to find the angle between these two lines. That's the given question. So already we know that the angle between x-axis and y-axis is equal to 90 degrees. Here the total angle is equal to 90 degrees. Already we have that this angle is equal to 60. Now what is the remaining part? This is equals to 30. Since 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. The required answer is equal to 30 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 means the angle made by the line with the x-axis is equal to 60. Angle made by the line with the x-axis is equal to 60. Therefore, the angle made by the line with the y-axis is equals to 90 minus 60, that is equals to 30 degrees. Problem. Find the slope slopes of the lines parallel to and perpendicular to the line passing through the point 6, 3 and minus 4, 5. Find the slopes of the lines parallel and perpendicular to the given line. Now this is the given line, the line passing through the point 6, 3 and minus 4, 5. Now we want to find the slopes of the lines which are parallel and perpendicular to the given line. Now we want to find the slopes of these two lines. The first line is parallel to the given line and the second line is perpendicular to the given line. So what is the slope of the parallel line? The two lines are parallel means the slopes are equal. So slope of the parallel line is nothing but the slope of the given line. And what is the perpendicular line slope? If the slope of the line is equal to m, then the slope of the perpendicular line is equal to minus 1 by m. That is the formula. By using that formula, we can find the perpendicular slope value. Now first we are taking the given points here. Given points are 6, 3 and minus 4, 5. We are taking the 2 points are A, B. First point is A and second point is B. Now finding the slope value. Slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Now we are replacing the values. y2 minus y1, 5 minus 3 by x2 minus x1, minus 4 minus 6. This is 2 by minus 10 is equals to minus 1 by 5. So slope of AB is equal to minus 1 by 5. Then slope of parallel line is also equal to minus 1 by 5. Therefore, slope of parallel line is equals to minus 1 by 5. And slope of perpendicular line is equals to, the formula is minus 1 by m. That is minus 1 by m value minus 1 by 5. Now which is equals to 5.